Hey everyone, welcome to day 16. Today is March 18th and we are doing if statements in Bash. This is something I'm very familiar with because I've learned other coding languages such as Python, and if statements are one of the first things you learn. But obviously it's different syntax in different coding languages, so to start how to use it is simple if command and square brackets, and then you add the condition in between them. We'll get to what the conditions will look like soon, and then we write then, and then it will be indented to what we want to execute if our conditions are met. And then if this condition is not met, we'll go to the second condition to see if it can be met with elif. If not, then we go to else and then run this command. And then to close the if statement, we write if I, opposite of if. And the square brackets are actually just representing the test command. So in fact, you can actually just do if test condition rather than if square brackets condition. Comparison operators, so for integers and strings, and there's logical operators and there's files, they have different comparison ways to compare, or how to compare. So for example, for integers, for numbers, we use option EQ for equal, option NE for not equal, option greater than or greater than or equal, less than or equal. It might be a little hard to remember, but I think it's not that bad. Just press ET equal EQ NE GT and GE for, so it's not too bad. So for example, right here we have a variable 21. If condition age, make sure to have the $sign in front of it to use the variable, and then option GE, which is greater than or equal to 21, echo else. Pretty simple. String is a lot easier for me to remember because equal and not equal to are just equal sign and then exclamation mark equal. And then if you wanna if string is empty, we use Z. I guess the way to remember is Z is the last letter of the alphabet. I'm not too sure how to remember, but Z for nothing. 0, I guess. And then N is not empty, just not, right? Example right here, if name equals, so if name is this, then echo hello Richard, else don't do it. Logical operators is even easier for me to remember because I did the same. So double and for and, double pipe for or, and one exclamation mark for not. Example of that is if age is greater or equal to 21 and name is Richard, echo hello. So the and means that they both have to be true, or else it won't do this. For file tests, E for if the file exists, F for if it is a regular file, D for if it is a directory, R for the permissions it has, whether it's readable, W for writable, and X for executable. Example of this is if this F, which is if it's a regular file, which in this case it is, echo example test exists, or else don't do that, do this instead. Pretty simple. So now we can move on to the harder exercises. Let's see how we can start. Okay, so basically without even writing anything, I can tell that I'm going to write if input of a number, like read number, and let's say I type a number. If the number is greater than 0, then obviously it is positive. If it's equal to 0, then obviously it is 0, and then everything else is negative, right? So let's just create that. So right, so the input will be a number. Now to check it, if so I wonder if that actually, yeah, so that will indent it automatically. That's very nice. So we want to echo Aleph test. F5 to finish. Let's give that a try. First of all, I will see if I can run it. Nope. Yep. Also, hopefully there's a way to just get everything. Let's go for a positive 10. Let's go for a 0. Number 0. Oh, that's not right. I think I forgot a quotation mark, so let's go fix that. Oops, I typed that wrong. Yeah, I forgot quotation marks for both of these. There we go. Let's try that again. 0. Now it's working. Okay, so that's task 1. Please remember to choose a file exist. If it does, print. If not, create. Okay, immediately obviously ask for a file name, and then we check if it is a file with option F. If it's not, then we just create it. So like it indents me already, so I don't think I need the den, do I? So I'm gonna test it. I'm gonna not use den. Yeah, I'll test it out. I think that's that. Else. See, like else indents by itself, right? I don't need a 10. Obviously, there's no contention, so I'm not too sure. File exists. Oh wait, file does not exist. So we'll create it. Some default text. Nah, this is your new file. And then we append it to file name. And then maybe I cat file name to show what's inside and that it's made. Okay, let's try that. Let's give it permissions. Oops. Okay, maybe I did need it then. Will that really fix it? Let's see. Wow. Okay, so I do need the den. Okay, remembered. But yeah, that's done. Okay, I think I know what to do. So if I just took a while to read the question, but I realized just now that you provide the number, so you don't need input. Okay, so less than I always forget. Okay. Okay, yeah, I knew there was something wrong because this part was still purple. I forgot the question, the dollar sign. Oh. That's right. I'm sorry, I'm so used to Python. Okay. I accidentally put a dollar sign in front of the two. Anyways. Create a script that checks that the user running it has permission for. Okay, so permission to write it. Okay, so W. Option W for that one. Oh wait. Yeah, W. I'd rather skip that one. But I'll do it anyways. How can I make this a wall? Oops. Yeah, I think that's it. Okay, so let's give okay, the last one is not too bad either. Just an age, check age, and check the name. Yeah. Let's make it. Creator will equal to 18, and why can I not find the end number? Is test stage and test. Then access echo access granted, else echo access denied. See if it works first. Admin. I am 21. Okay. Yeah. Forgot quotations again. Okay. Let's say my name's admin, but I'm only 12. Okay. Let's say I am not admin, but I am. Okay. And finally, let's say I'm not admin and I'm not. Oh, oops, sorry. I'm not that, and I'm underage as well. Yeah. Okay, so that works. I wonder what would happen if I did something like this though. Yeah, okay. His access is denied. Alright. Well, that was the day 4 of this project done, and day 16 of this done as well. Thanks for watching. See you guys tomorrow.